Hello South Africa. Eskom will assist with Tshwane power outage. Twitter /@Tshwane_mayor. Electricity Minister Kgosientsho Ramokgopa confirmed that Eskom and the government will assist Tshwane in the power restoration efforts. Ramokgopa says there is no timeline for when the power outage, which was caused by the collapsed power lines in Tshwane, will be fully resolved. He visited the site along the N4 following a meeting with Mayor Celius Brink on Tuesday afternoon. The city is on top of issues, and once they have a better appreciation of the scale of the damage and what it takes for them to fix it, he says. Eskom has come on board, and we are also on board as national government, because it can't be a responsibility just on the shoulders of the mayor and city. We will give the necessary support to make it possible for us to address this problem in the shortest period, said Ramokgopa. Although power has been restored in some areas, city officials have said they may have to switch them off again as repair work continues. Brink says criminal vandalism could be the reason for the collapse of power lines on the N4 on Sunday night. I have been informed by councillors that there have been several attempts over some time to steal the metal that forms part of the pylon structure. There is a possibility that this is in fact what happened last night, said Brink. Ramokgopa said that he will speak to his police minister, Becky Seal, about the protection of the infrastructure. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.